Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can add event in Any.do. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be simple in Any.do, and when you're going to be here, click on calendar and then click on a plus button. When you're going to be here, click event, and now you just have option to choose event title, and let's go Wim Hof briefing. And now you get like event time when it's going to happen. Or if it's all day, you can add location, you can invite someone, and 30 minutes before the alarm. And change time here to like, I don't know. Click save. And now we got it, Friday, Wim Hof briefing. Then I have like dentist here, dentist. And yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.